Hi, it's Randy Smith here from MediaKettle.com. Quick video, bit of an update because it's been a couple of years since I did a video on this site, but the site's still up and active. So a quick video to show you how to create your own signature for your sites and sales pages with a free online tool at mylivesignature.com, and that's the URL, just mylivesignature.com. And all we need to do is, as soon as you land on the page, down here and click the proceed button, and then that gives you various options, and we're using the first one with the wand. Use the signature creation wizard. So simply click on there, and step one, enter your name. So if for example your name was Fred Blogs, you type that in and click next step, and then it's going to give you an option of 120 different fonts. So just find one that you think, yeah, that looks like the sort of thing I'd have for my signature, and there's all sorts here, so scroll through at your own leisure and choose one that you think fits. I'm going through randomly, so let's not spend too much time on this. So let's just pick one from this page. Let's say we go for this one. So click the radio button, font 19, next step, and then the size, bottom of my sales page, so I want it reasonably big but not overly big, so possibly a 4 or a 5 I think, so I'll go for size 5 and click next step. And then we're going to leave the background colour as transparent, but the font colour, and again, just if you've read any of my copywriting information, you'll find that tests have been done in the past that show a blue signature is more trusting, so we're going for blue. Click next. There's the signature. Now we're going to select the slope, so do we write straight line or do we write uphill? Well, we don't want that much of a slope, but a little bit of a slope makes it look more like a real signature, so I'm going to go for slope 4, and then we click next step, and it's done. Signature's ready. Now there's several ways you can get this. You can download it, etc, etc, but I find the easiest thing is, once I've got that, just open up and grab my sniping tool and then literally just grab the image, save as, and we'll call that Fred Sig, and it's saved on my desktop as a PNG, and that's as simple as it is. We'll pop onto desktop and we'll open that. I'll open it with Paint, and there it is. Now if for example you then wanted to save that as a JPEG, so it's a smaller file, you could just go back into it and save as, and then just change it from a PNG to a JPEG. JPG, so we know that's a different one, but that loses your transparency. So with a white background on a white sales page you'd be fine, but if you've got colours on your sales page, go for the transparent and use the PNG. So that's how you'd go about creating your own signature. And it's just something that came up on a webinar I was doing yesterday, and we had quite a few newbies on there that didn't know how to have a signature, and the simple thing is that it looks better than just having a typed name at the bottom of your sales page. The other thing that we did mention was guarantee graphics. Somebody had asked about, so we do actually have a tool called the Simple Graphic Creator, and you can purchase that for $7 at the moment. But let me load that up and show you how to use that to create a guarantee box. So assuming we've bought the Graphic Creator tool, here's all the various things you can create. You can create headline graphics, you can create your add to cart buttons, your belcher button, special offer, etc. All these things are all changeable. No Photoshop or anything, and you can have all sorts of styles and what have you, but guarantee was the one we covered yesterday, and that just gives you a chance to, you know, completely edit the text, create your guarantee, have it as a note paper or a certificate, framed, put tape on it, and again you can have stamps or seals, all sorts of things you can do, change the colour, the font, etc, etc, and then again once you've done, you can save it as a JPEG, and it pops up with a box for you to save it as a snapshot.jpg. There you go, and then you could save that. Well, might as well. Open the containing folder there it is, so snapshot.jpg, so we'll change that to GT 111, and then we'll open that again just to show you, open with Paint, and there's your 100% risk-free guarantee that you can just plop straight onto your sales page. So I hope those tools have helped. As I said, the Signature Creator, completely free site, so get yourself a signature. Okie dokie, that's Randy from Media Kettle signing off. Thanks for watching. Bye now.